Alright, so we're still working on the Honda 600R, XL600R. What I have right now is the speedometer, and I'm going to show you something here. Turn the monitor around so I can kind of see you. Alright, so in the last series you saw that we had fixed the speedometer cable at the front hub. Here's the speedometer. I've got a little nail in a, this is a 3-speed drill. You can see it's a 3-speed. So it goes pretty fast. So I'm going to put it in here and see if I can get the speedometer to read. It takes a bit for it to work, so I think there's some problems inside here and I want to take it apart and find out. However, this casing here is sonic welded, plastic welded, but what I was able to find is that it's got a separation line right there. So I'm going to continue to kind of grind this. I've got a little sandpaper grinder here, and I'm going to work on grinding this down so I can pop it off, and then I can either re-weld it or I can glue gun the thing. And this stuff usually it'll just pop right off. Once it cools down, it's even better. Rid of some of the junk. There's trash behind you there. Dump this trash off here. You can see inside when I turn, that gear is turning right here, but this is not. And if I move that, you can see that it tries, but it's acts as though it's stiff because it's a lack of lube. It's probably been sitting out so long outside that the lubrication is just dried up on it. Experiment, see if I can just redneck this together by using a little lubrication here. Alright, I got my penetrating oil here from Kimball Midwest. I'm going to try this and see if just a couple of little shots here. What it acts like is it acts like it's got a little cog in there that you wedge something against. And it doesn't act like it wants to be, so I'm going to get a little bit of oil, drip oil. was it just basically needed some lubrication on that dial in there, and behind there there's a clock spring down inside there. You can probably see the clock spring, and then this is the drum that turns, and you can see that little pin right there sticking out. Every time I move it, it uncovers it, but see, it's straight up now. That is in line with the speedometer needle. So, but it looks as though when I've got a little bit of lubrication in there, I think it's going to work. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to call it good. And I'm going to put the unit back together. Yeah, see, it just pops right into place. And then there's these two screws. Oh, and by the way, if you're not sure, if you get little bits of metal shavings on your screwdriver or wrenches or anything like that, best way to do it is you can take another screwdriver like this and tap the end of it just like that. If you've got an old dingy thing, you can use a block of wood, you can use the side of a bench, anything that's wooden. You can even use something like this old shoe. This is an old rubber shoe, and that'll knock all these metal shavings off, because you're going to get them on everything. 1,000 miles on this thing, so it's in pretty good shape. Let's see, I'm going to put some glue gun around here, which I'm probably not going to take any video of that, because everybody knows how to run a glue gun. You just plug it in, let it get hot, takes about 4 or 5 minutes, and then you pull the trigger and a little bit of glue will come out, and I'll just run it around there on both sides of this edge. You can see where that edge comes loose right there. Once I'm done with that, then I think it'll be sealed up good. So, thumbs up.